Has there ever been a time when you felt like you were navigating a storm? The wind is howling, the rain is pouring down, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the chaos. This is akin to managing conflict within a telecom operator solutions design team. The storm symbolizes the problem and the chaos mirrors the conflict. However, much like steering through a storm, there are a few key strategies to manage conflict effectively. 1. Stay calm and focused. In the midst of conflict, it's easy to get swept up in tide of emotions and make impulsive decisions. Instead, take a deep breath, evaluate the situation objectively, and concentrate on discovering a resolution. 2. Communicate openly and honestly. Transparent and straightforward is the compass that guides you out of the storm. Promote open dialogue, listen actively to different points of view, and be prepared to share your own thoughts and emotions respectfully. 3. Focus on common goals. Remember the shared objectives that brought you together as a team. By keeping the bigger picture in sight, you can find ways to cooperate effectively despite the disagreements. Just like solving a puzzle, every member of your telecom operator solutions design team has their own unique abilities and viewpoints. To turn disagreements into problem solving, follow these steps. First, clearly define the conflict. Next, gather all relevant details from involved team members. Then, brainstorm diverse solutions considering multiple perspectives. Evaluate each solution for effectiveness and feasibility, and its impact on team morale and goals. Lastly, implement the chosen solution and monitor its success regularly. Remember, every team member to the final outcome. If you can learn to value each member's contribution and merge your strengths, you can create a solution that benefits everyone. Now imagine trying to build a bridge without a solid foundation. It would collapse, wouldn't it? Similarly, conflict within a team can indicate a lack of trust or respect, causing your team's efforts to crumble. Establish clear expectations, foster open communication, create a safe space for conflict resolution. Picture a team sport. If the team doesn't work together, the game is lost. Conflict within a team can hinder the achievement of goals, damaging morale and productivity. Define roles and responsibilities, communicate effectively, support each other. Finally, think of sailing through a storm. It's challenging, unpredictable, but with the right skills and mindset, you can come out stronger. Conflict arising from different perspectives, competing priorities, or unexpected challenges can disrupt your team. Address these issues effectively and you'll navigate through the storm unscathed. In summary, managing conflict within a telecom operator solutions design team is like navigating a maze, building a bridge, playing a team sport, and sailing through a storm. By understanding and applying these analogies, you'll be equipped to manage conflict effectively, creating a more productive and collaborative environment for all. As we move into our next analogy, imagine conflict as balancing a scale. If the weight tips too much to one side, it can cause instability, but with careful balancing, stability can be maintained. In the context of a telecom operator solutions design team, this imbalance can manifest itself in decision-making or resource allocation. If certain team members feel their voices aren't being heard or their contributions aren't valued, it can breed resentment and disrupt collaboration. So how can we balance the scales? Let's look at some key principles. 1. Promote equal participation. Encourage every team member, regardless of their position or seniority, to voice their ideas and opinions. This creates an environment where everyone feels valued and respected. 1. Consider multiple perspectives. Understand that there can be different viewpoints and approaches to a situation. Strive to find common ground by considering all these perspectives. 1. Distribute resources fairly. Ensure that resources are allocated in a way that everyone feels they have the tools and the support they need to succeed. This creates a sense of fairness and equality within the team. By following these principles, you can create a balanced, harmonious team environment where conflict is managed effectively. Remember, balancing the scales is key to a successful, collaborative team. As we delve deeper into our analogies, let's consider conflict as navigating a labyrinth. It's full of twists and turns, and it's far too easy to lose your way. However, if you're persistent and know the right path to take, you can certainly find your way out. In the context of a telecom operator solutions design team, Conflict can create confusion and frustration if not managed effectively. But by laying down clear guidelines and procedures, the team can avoid getting entangled in disagreements and concentrate on their objectives. Just as in navigating a labyrinth, there are a few strategies to manage conflict effectively in a telecom operator solutions design team. 1. Establish clear guidelines, create clear rules and expectations for team communication, decision-making, and problem-solving. This helps to set the standard for interactions and decision-making processes. 1. Develop procedures. Implement clear processes for handling conflict. This could be through mediation or arbitration. A predefined procedure can help in resolving conflicts swiftly and effectively. 1. Encourage self-regulation. Promote a culture where team members take responsibility for their actions and resolve conflicts in a constructive manner. This self-regulation can lead to better conflict management and a more harmonious team environment. Remember, navigating the labyrinth of conflict is not about avoiding conflict, but about learning the right path to resolution. Just as we've navigated the labyrinth of conflict, let's take a step into the culinary world. Consider conflict as the process of cooking a meal. It requires careful planning, preparation, and execution to create a delightful dish. In the context of a telecom operator solutions design team, conflict can be a catalyst for innovation and growth. Approaching conflict with a positive mindset and a willingness to collaborate can lead to new and better ways of working together. Just like mixing different ingredients can lead to a delicious meal. Here are the key ingredients to success when managing conflict in a telecom operator solutions design team. 1. Open communication. Encourage open and honest communication among team members. Just like a well-coordinated kitchen, the team should be able to freely share ideas and concerns. 1. Respectful collaboration. Foster a culture of respect and mutual understanding, much like how different ingredients work together to create a harmonious dish. 1. Creative problem solving. Approach conflict as an opportunity to find new and better solutions. Like improvising a recipe, sometimes the most innovative solutions come from unexpected challenges. Remember, the process of cooking a meal, much like managing conflict, can be messy and challenging, but the end result can be incredibly rewarding.